Good afternoon, Mirza.
Good afternoon, ma'am. How are you?
Yeah, fine. So, first of all, congratulations for grabbing the job.
Yeah, thank you very much. Without your support, it wouldn't be possible.
Yeah, thank you so much. So, myself, Meenu, I'm from Quality Department. I just want to take a feedback from your side. So, introduce about
Okay.
yourself.
Uh, Hi, myself Mirza Beg. I'm from Gulbarga. I have completed my BE in 2020 from KBN College of Engineering, Gulbarga.
Okay. So, how do you come to know about CMTI?
Yeah, one of my friend recommended it. He told me about CMTI. This is a place you can go and learn various things.
Okay. So, how did you prefer the course Advanced Construction Management?
Yeah, it's quite good. It will give you brief knowledge about construction, today's construction, what all all things are going on.
What made you to choose the course?
Sorry.
What made you to choose the particular course?
Yeah, it's topics which are there in this course na, that made me to choose this course because this course contained of project planning, quantity surveying, and quality assurance control, and they gave brief knowledge about interior designing also. So that made me to join this
Prefer
course.
the course. Okay.
Yeah,
So in advanced construction management, you have learned lot of things, right?
yeah,
So you
yeah,
can
many
explain it
things.
in detailed manner.
Yeah, I will explain it. Uh, After joining advanced construction management course, I came to know about project planning, quantity surveying and estimation, quality assurance and quality control, and about form work and site execution procedures, reading out drawings, sequence of construction. Basically, these things we did not learn in that our engineering. We learned it briefly, but after coming here, I get more knowledge about these things.
Okay, that was very nice. So you went for the site visits, all thing, right? So
Yeah,
how
yeah,
was the site visits?
yeah. The sites which I have visited are very excellent, and the trainer, that Redappa sir, has given us more information about that particular sites.
So how was our trainers?
Yeah, excellent. I can rate
Okay.
them as excellent because they are very coordinative with us. They cleared everything, whichever doubt we asked them, they have cleared them
Okay.
at that particular moment.
So you was comfortable with them?
Yeah, I was very much comfortable with them.
Okay. How was entire CMTI staff's coordination?
Yeah, it was quite good. I can tell excellent. They are very coordinative and they help us. For me, they help very much. They help me to get a proper job and they help me for career development also. So they are very nice people. Environment also is good in that institute. It's been nice to come here.
How did you crack the interview?
Yeah, with the help of trainers only I cracked it, and they they gave us all the materials, all the knowledge to crack interview. So with the help of trainers, I cracked interview. Without them, it wasn't possible. So they teach
Okay.
us how to face interviews, how to attend interviews, how should be your body language, how should be your communication. I was having some communication lack of communication and like I was having fear of attending some interviews like that. And after coming, it has gone.
Okay.
As you can see it here,
So
I'm
your
facing you.
fear all over, it all went.
Yeah, mostly it went.
Yeah, finally it all went okay.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
when you are getting placed, so how was the feeling all?
Yeah, it was a nice feeling. This is what I wanted before joining, and it is fulfilled now. So it's a very good moment for me.
Okay. Okay, that was very nice. So you like how much do you like our CMTI app?
It's very helpful. CMTI app is very helpful because sometimes if I got skipped or due to some reason I missed some classes, there I can find those things. So it is very helpful. CMT app is very helpful. Uh, that is a good platform for anyone to learn. If someone is not able to join offline classes, uh, that app is the best opportunity for them to learn things online.
Yeah. That was a wonderful feedback. So what do you want to tell to your juniors and upcoming students?
I am already referring my mates to join here. Those who have completed engineering with me and those who are yet to complete. So I already referring them to come and join CMTI Institute because this institute provides you good knowledge, um, career development, and apart from all this, they are providing job opportunities. So that is the good part because nowadays uh, you also know that job is there is lack of opportunity for job. After joining here, it's a good platform. They are providing jobs also, so it is a good platform. I'm referring my already I referred to too many friends. They are planning to join. So hopefully they will join.
That is very happy to hear, Mirza. Thank you
Yeah.
so much for your wonderful feedback. All the best for your career.
Yeah,
Okay.
thank you so much for giving me this opportunity and giving me this job opportunity also, and also for this feedback interview opportunity. Thank you very much, and thank you very much for your coordination, especially for your coordination. Thank you very much. I'm very grateful to you.
Thank you, Mirza. All the best. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you. Yeah, thank you very much. Have a nice day.